Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. My name is Swapnil and today I'm sharing with you my first impressions of the Honor Play. Now this is the newest phone from Honor. They just launched the 9N. You can actually watch a review that we've done somewhere on the screen. Anyway, so the Honor Play is now being marketed in China at least as a gaming phone. And the reason for that is because this is Honor's first phone with GPU turbo right out of the box. I've got the unit with me right now, and I've been using it for a few days. So just a quick first impressions. It's got the same Kirin 970 processor as the other Honor and recent Huawei phones, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of UFS 2.1 storage, and of course a hybrid dual SIM slot in case you want to expand the storage on your phone. Now, the thing with GPU turbo is that it's Huawei and Honor have said that this is going to lead to slightly better performance, but more notably, improved battery life. GPU turbo is actually supposed to optimize your GPU's performance so that it's not draining the battery too much. Now, whether this phone in particular actually benefits from something like that is something I'm still going to have to see. We've got a proper test setup going on right now, comparing multiple Huawei and Honor phones. So, that's something I'm going to have to wait to share with you in my full review. But for now, the first impressions of this phone are pretty good because one, the crisp LCD IPS display, it's a full HD plus display, 6.3 inch screen, and what I really like is the metal back. Honor has ditched the glass design for this particular phone and given a solid metal finish to the back. The branding is again in horizontal, just like we've seen on the Huawei P20 Pro, and there's of course a dual camera setup with a 13+2 megapixel sensor on the back and a 16 megapixel sensor on the front for selfies. And it's a fairly minimal design. Even the antenna lines kind of are designed to blend in with the curve, so you really don't see them from most angles. And the funny thing is that despite being a metal phone, Honor still puts a case in the box. So there is a TPU case. I don't know, I kind of threw it somewhere here. So that's really nice. The phone's not slippery at all. It's easy to use and everything's been working fairly fluid as of now. If you want to know more about the GPU turbo related performance boost, I would say on this phone is that I'm going to have to wait for that. I can't give you any half-baked information. I wouldn't want to do that. You wouldn't want that either. But what Huawei and Honor do say is that their goal is to optimize GPU turbo so much that it not only works with games, but also works with the entire EMUI interface as a whole. Because they want to minimize battery drain, they want to improve performance. So that's kind of what they're going for over here with the GPU turbo. So whether that actually helps or not in gaming sessions is something we're going to have to get back to you. But for now, the first impressions of the Honor Play is that it's a very beautiful and more importantly, a sturdy device. I am not afraid to drop this phone. And don't tell anybody, but I already did twice without the case. So it's nice to see Honor go back to metal, especially because if you're not going to give wireless charging, why are you even using glass? So our review for this phone will be out very shortly, in a few days. So if you're excited about the GPU turbo feature, or if you're just generally excited about the Honor Play, stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and we'll have a full review of this out very soon. Thank you guys for watching.